Okay, so what we have here is the Coleman hot water on demand unit for sale on eBay at alltexassells.com. Anyways, I just wanted to do a demonstration of it working. I know some of these units have been sold as working and didn't. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show that this one does actually work. It's kind of a chilly day out today. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. We're at 47.1 degrees, it looks like. Somewhere right around there. I'm going to check cold temperature water here. So we'll just bring you over here. The water is about 56.5 degrees, it looks like. Got my pump down here. Comes with the unit. So what we have here is the propane tank. This unit will not be shipped with any propane. You'll have to supply your own. Got your knobs here. Here's our spout. We have a empty bucket here for the water. It uses a 6-volt battery. What we're going to do here is, bear with me. You can hear it clicking on here. Pump going. We just turned on. See where we're at. We're at 97, 98, 99. Oh, getting my thermometer wet there. 102, 103. You can see it's steaming due to the coldness out here today. You can hear the pump down there. What you can do is we can go and cool it down here. It's got it's looking like 77, 78 degrees. Anyways, here's a quick video of how this unit works, and it will be for sale on eBay. Thank you.